Yep, I'll move this away. Remember, little circles.
Okay.
So we had the brakes off of the Honda, and I noticed they were a little glazed because they got packed full of mud. So what we're doing to save them, yeah, little circles, bud, like I showed you. Remember? You just put the pad face down, obviously, on a piece. I'm using 120 grit on a nice flat piece of concrete, and then you do these little circles. Obviously, I push harder and go faster when I'm not running a camera also. You want to show them, Riker?
Yep.
But that'll take the glazing and some of the smaller gouges out of it, or you know, make it a little bit smoother surface. So I'm going to do that to this other one too, and then throw them back on. And I've got plenty of pad life left, and that's what these lines are for. They're wear indicators. So it saves a lot of time waiting for parts, saves you money, get you back on the road faster. It's a good little quick fix. But you know, if you really heated these up and really glazed them, you know, you might have done some damage to them, and then you're going to have to replace them. But for minor stuff like this, or if you have good pads and you put a new brake rotor on, it's a good idea to do this just to get all these fine little lines out of it, so it seats into your new rotor quicker and better, so your brakes work better. So that's just your shop tip for the day.